preserves leather and extends product lifespan. Long-lasting protection against water and dirt. Multifunctional, suitable for shoes, leather, zippers, etc. Make sure to remove loose dirt before application. Apply a thin layer to a clean and dry surface. Treat the upper, seams, and edges carefully. Also suitable for zippers that need care, for example, on jackets. EXPRO Protect Wax provides durable and natural protection against water and dirt for smooth leather products such as hiking boots and heavier leather shoes. EXPRO Protection and Care extends garment lifespan and appearance, fragrance-free and gentle, developed and produced in Sweden and certified according to Okotex Eco Passport.